What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are doing well out there today. And I just want to let you guys know that Jennyco put out a new update this morning at 6:09 a.m. with information about the Genesis NFT and your DNA test kit and all that. So let me read this to you and then we'll talk about this for a minute. So they put out, good morning. We have a couple updates that we would like to share with the community. For individuals who purchase JCO token or JCO through the Lattice Launchpad or through the private sale rounds, an email will be sent out today, March 22nd, from lyndon@jennyco.com for next steps in receiving your JCO tokens. For individuals who purchased a Genesis NFT and submitted their contact information by the deadline, an email will be sent out on Monday, March 27th from support@jennyco.com with step-by-step instructions on how to redeem your free DNA test kit. For additional questions, please visit our Telegram channel. All right, so that is awesome. So if you got in on this private sale early on, I did not. I missed out on this. But if you got in on this, you're going to get an email today about how you're going to receive your JCO token. So you lucky folks that jumped in on that, that's awesome. I didn't know about this project until after they had already launched. Otherwise, I would have jumped in on this as well. But for everyone else who grabbed a Genesis NFT, we're going to get our information on Monday, the 27th, and we'll get an email. So be on the lookout for that because the DNA test kit lets you submit your DNA, take the DNA test and submit it, and then they submit your information anonymously so that you can earn more JCO tokens in the future. And that's how you're going to be able to earn a passive income from this. That's how I'm going to do this. Again, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research. But that is what the passive income for us comes from. So we submit the test. They anonymously release the results. So they lease your data out there, you earn JCO tokens back, and then you can do what you want with the JCO tokens. So if you want to cash them in for stable coins or whatever, you're going to be able to do that at some point. So that information is awesome news. I just want to let you guys know about this because I know a lot of you are following my updates on this, and this is a project I'm going to keep putting out updates on. It's one I ultimately believe in. I think the healthcare industry and crypto combining is going to be huge, and it's going to offer a great passive income in my opinion. So just want to let you guys know about this awesome news today. Let me know your thoughts below. I hope you guys are doing well. Give me a like, subscribe, share it with a friend, and I will see you guys in the next video.